Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do the wing liner and red lipstick makeup look. But before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please keep on watching. So first up, I'm gonna be using this multi-purpose dry oil from Nooks. I received this guy here as a giveaway. I'll be linking the video up here and in the description box down below. Next up, I'm gonna be using this color correct from LA Girl. It's the green one that hides redness. So if you have acne, redness, any redness on your face, rosacea, all that, you can use this green color corrector. You can use this color corrector to apply it actually before your foundation and concealer. After that, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer to basically conceal all the acne that we just corrected. So for foundation today, I'm gonna be mixing the Lancome Teint Miracle Foundation with the L'Oreal 24 Hour Matte or the Pro Matte, which is like the American version of it. So I love the Lancome Teint Miracle Foundation so much. It's a radiant foundation, a hydrating one, and that's what I've been loving lately because I've been having dry skin or dehydration. I'm not sure. I don't know if you can see from the video, but unfortunately this one doesn't last on my acne, and I think all hydrating foundation won't last on acne. Maybe I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but that's what I'm assuming. So that's why I'm mixing some drops of the L'Oreal matte foundation to help the Lancome foundation stay in place all day. And after that, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the same Too Faced concealer. Next up for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. And with the same bronzer, I'm gonna use this fluffy brush to deepen up my crease a little bit and give it more dimension. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using this Essence matte style eyeliner. So the first thing I do when I'm doing a wing liner is I do this flick. So I basically draw this wing first, and then I'll draw a thin line over my lashes because I have hooded eyes, and then I start filling in the wing. I know they don't match, but as long as they both look good, I really don't care. And then for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. And now for lashes, I'm gonna be using this set down here from the Naked collection from Nikea Joy Cosmetics. I really love their lashes, you guys. They're pretty lightweight, and this Naked collection has transparent bands. It gives the illusion that the lashes are actually growing out of your skin. And now I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And now I'm just gonna add some concealer to my under eye area, my nose, my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And then as always, I'm gonna be setting the concealer with the Nikea Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. You guys, I know you're fed up and you've heard me talk about this powder, but I don't know, I can't use any other powder. And now for blush, I'm gonna be using the NARS Exposed Cheeks palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade here, which is called New Fling. And now I'm gonna finish off my eyes. I'm gonna add the same bronzer shade that I applied in my crease. I'll run it in my lower lash line and then I'll add some mascara. And now I'm gonna take the highlight shade from the NARS palette, which is called Tell All, and I'm gonna add that to the inner corners of my eyes, my brow bones, and pretty much anywhere I wanna highlight. And now for lips, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 96. And actually guys, it looks so bright in the video, but it's actually a little bit darker in real life. And finally, I'm gonna set everything in place with this MAC Fix Plus, and this is it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media accounts. And sorry there are no bloopers today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.